It has been a minute since I did a Dior roundup, so today we are going to compare the Dior Addict lip shines. So let's just get started. We'll go from lightest to darkest in terms of tint. We will start with 527 Atelier. That is the color. Is 566 Peony Pink. That is 566. Then a more pink than the Atelier. Atelier is a bit more nude. Next, 628 Pink Bow. Pink Bow basically has a little bit more violet in it. Next, 373 Rose Celestial, which might be my favorite. Definitely the most carnation pink. True pink. Next, 976 B Dior, which is my boldest pink. Lastly, 531 Fauve, which is more of a pumpkin brown. So 527 Atelier, 566 Peony Pink, 628 Pink Bow, 373 Rose Celestial, B Dior, 976, and 531 Fauve. And that is the roundup of my Dior lip shines to date.